Welcome back, fellow YouTubers. Today we are diving into a topic that will take your video content to the next level, adding video chapters to your YouTube videos. Trust me, once you start incorporating this feature, your viewers will thank you for seamless navigation and enhanced user experience. So let's jump right in. Did you know that video chapters allow you to divide your YouTube video into easily accessible sections? This feature enables viewers to quickly jump to the specific parts they are interested in, saving them time and improving engagement. But how do you add these chapters to your videos? There are three conditions for video chapters. Make sure the first timestamp start with 00. Second is your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. Number 3 is minimum length for video chapter is 10 seconds. There are two methods to add chapters to your video. Number 1 is automatic and second is manual one. First we will check automatic method. Go to your channel dashboard, go to content, hover over the video and click the pencil icon. Scroll down and click show more. Scroll down further, find the allow automatic chapters and key movement options and select the options. This feature is not perfect and it uses AI to create chapters. It works best if the video contains a list of things. How to manually add chapters to a YouTube video. Make sure you are logged into YouTube Studio. Now select the video you want to add chapters to and click on the Details tab. The next step is to timestamp the different sections of your video that you want to turn into chapters. While watching your video, take notes of the timestamps where each chapters begin. These timestamps will serve as your markers for navigations. Now see me doing it. How to add chapters to YouTube video on mobile. Install the YouTube Studio app and launch it. On the dashboard, tap a video in which you want to add chapters. Tap a video in the YouTube Studio app, tap the edit icon, tap the pencil icon and tap description. Add the timestamps and chapter to name as explained in the first section. Tap the description of the video, add timestamp and chapter name, tap the back arrow and tap save. How you can make bulk changes to video for timestamps. To edit several videos at the same time for timestamps, sign into YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select content. Check the boxes next to the videos you would like to edit. Select edit, then choose the type of change you would like to make, for example, automatic chapters. Enter the details of the change and select update videos. It will automatically change them all. If chapters not showing or video markers not working, not all videos are eligible for automatic chapters and not all eligible videos will have automatic chapters. If the channel has an active strike or if the content may be inappropriate to some viewers, the video chapters feature would not be available. Now that we have covered all the essential aspects of adding video chapters, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Remember, keeping your video concise and informative is key. So aim for a target duration that suits your content type and ensures video retention. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, click on like button, subscribe my channel and comment me which section you have liked the most. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Your comments are a world to me. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.